Would you believe these 2 cups of flour aren't the same? They look identical, but they're not. One of them has way more flour than the other, and the difference is enough to ruin your recipe. So if you're still measuring your flour in the United States of America with a measuring cup, you're going to want to change, and I'm going to convince you of that today. Flour is like a sponge. It absorbs moisture from the air. That means in the summer, when the air is humid, your flour is heavier and more compact. In the winter, when the air is drier, your flour is lighter and fluffier. That could be a reason why your baked goods are a disappointment. Let's see what happens when I was measuring my flour on a winter day when it was dry. I'm starting by measuring out my bread flour, and I'm using my kitchen scale because I'm being careful that my bread flour weighs 120 grams per cup. So I'm going to use 3 cups of flour altogether. I'm going to want 360 grams of flour. My cups of flour are measuring at 113 grams. So I have to add a little bit of extra flour. You might wonder why that is, and it's because today is unseasonably dry, very, very dry, and that's reflected in the flour. Now this measured at 112 grams, and there we go, 120 grams. 3 cups of bread flour. Now let's see what happens when I was measuring my flour on a humid summer day. I'm going to measure my flour and weigh my flour so that you can see that whether it really makes a difference for you to weigh your bread flour versus just measuring it out. The 1 cup measure, the recipe that I'm making today calls for 3 cups of bread flour. And I have fluffed the bread flour before measuring it. And what I want is 360 grams of bread flour. So this is number 2. And number 3. Okay, so I have 3 cups of flour, and in terms of grams, I have 398 grams of flour. So let's figure out how much less flour I actually need. I'm going to start to spoon that out. So I want to remove 38 grams of flour. That looks to me to be about 3/4 of a cup less than the 3 cups that I had measured out originally. You know, that's why back in the day when my mom was showing me how to make pie crust, she always would say to me, Donna, don't ever make pie dough on a rainy day. Now, she never explained the why of it. She just said, don't do it. So here's the problem. If you're still measuring your flour by volume, like many of us do here in the United States of America, instead of weighing your flour, you could be adding too much flour or too little flour, depending on the season and the humidity in the air. Let's start weighing our flour.